How to cancel a reservation on Expedia. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss on how to cancel a reservation on Expedia application. So if you're having trouble canceling a reservation on Expedia, don't worry, we'll guide you through the process with some easy steps. So open the Expedia application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the trips section in the bottom of the screen that is between the search and inbox option. Tap on it. Here you can see your upcoming bookings. Click on the trip you want to cancel and check if the booking is refundable or non-refundable. If it's refundable, you can request a refund. For that, you can click on Cancel Reservation option if you decide to proceed with the cancellation, and then confirm the cancellation by selecting Cancel the request. Alternatively, you can also call the Expedia directly to cancel your booking and make sure that you have your itinerary number ready before the call. Additionally, for the flights booked through Expedia, most can be cancelled for free within 24 hours of your reservation. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.